Hello there. As some of you might know that I'm at my village and currently I'm going down to the river. It's a fine Sunday eve, probably 5 p.m. by now, and the reason for me going down there is that this is the most likely and the most suitable time for the birds that are around this place. They visit for the hunt. If I get lucky, I might get a few shots. If I don't, then well, I have a riverside to sit by and enjoy my book. So let's go. Now it's been 3 weeks since I'm back at the village, and since then the weather, it's been in its most disloyal forms as it can be. See, I had few plans, few short hikes, day hikes around the place, that I suppose that I will do them, but the weather hasn't been playing along. So it's every day, early morning it starts raining, and then by the afternoon it's all the storm. And then by the eve, it's all grey skies that just kills the ambience and the surrounding landscape. So you see, I really can't help that with that stuff. So yeah, I have to visit the rivers. That's only the option that I'm left without with the birding stuff. So far, I'm unable to find that one fine little composition, you know, the one that I can walk back home with. Just one photograph, it would be worth it. But so far, I haven't found any because all these green, they are kind of distracting. If there is a subject, it's like I just found a tree or a tree plant. It was a good subject, but it didn't work out because it had all those greens in its background, and I'm actually trying for a long exposure with the water, but I'm failing. So I'm gonna work on that, work on a composition, find a new one. Let's see how it goes. And that was pied kingfisher for you. I've seen it like 3 times in a row, and now I know where its nest is, but I don't want to go close enough to the nest because they might feel threatened and they will just leave the spot. I will come down here for next time, and I hope I get close enough and that bird doesn't fly away because I'm gonna get those intricate details and get close enough. And as for speaking for the landscape, not lucky enough today, but pretty much content that I got to shoot this bird. That's all for this time. So I'll end this video here, and if you liked it, then give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel if you're new. So until next time, bye for now. Cheers. Hello there. So, ow! It's 5th time in a row that I've fallen down. This day doesn't feel quite right.